Hey, so I'm gonna show you how to change one of these trailer airbags like a pro. Alright, so first you want to jack up the front axle. Makes it way easier. Jack it up all the way so the front wheels are off the ground. See what that does is it picks up the frame of the trailer on the front axle, but the rear axle stays and hangs. Alright, so these airbags are flat right now. Okay, so brakes are set. So you need some tools, impact, 1 1/8, 3/4 long, wrenches, all that. So I'm going to start taking off the air fitting, which is going to be a 5/8. Right here, it's got 2 studs. This stud right here, there's a stud inside of there. There's only 1 airline on this one, so just take off the airline. Like I said, the brakes are set. There's no air, so you don't have to worry about this popping off on you. That's free. Just yank on it. And maybe, oh, well, if she breaks, she breaks. You just cut it off, put a new one on. Usually they come out a little bit easier than that. Get a wrench on the T and take this off. And that was tight. Careful of the thread, you don't want to fuck those up if you're gonna reuse it. Alright, it's loose. Okay. Set that down. Now we're gonna take this bottom stud, this bottom bolt out. See, it's all the way up in there. I like to use extension with a long socket. And a little impact. Stud will come out. That's fine. Alright, pop that off. We're gonna want, I'm gonna try this shallow 1 1/8. It's a little Mac impact. Little shorty works great. The other one is inside of there. See that? It's hiding in there. So there's a little plug on that one. So we're gonna take that plug off, put it on the new one. All right. So this one can be fun. Try to get the little impact, fish it through the back here. Okay, get it on there, nice and good. Hang on. All right. Right on there like so. Drive it off. Careful with your fingers. Now, put your pry bar. Since it's already jacked up, so you got the jack all the way up. See how far up the tires are? Lifted up the frame. Gives us enough space. The airbag just falls down. Use the pry bar and get it out of the way. Like so. We're going to reuse this plug. We're going to reuse that guy since we don't have any other ones. Alright, and that's going to be hex. Alright, we'll get the airbag out, get the new one. Don't forget to put pipe tape on your fittings. Just have a fitting and the one plug. Put the new airbag in, get the bottom stud lined up with the bottom hole. Alright. Now use pry bar and pry down on it, get the bottom stud in the hole, line up the two studs. It'll only go one way. Alright, once you get that in there, you might have to use a bottle jack, give you a little bit extra room to get it in there. Just be careful with that. You don't want to go too hard on that. A frame there, you might, it's a little sketchy. It'll be alright. Get this out of the way. Get top two nuts on there. It'll be alright. Okay. Get a bottom nut. Grab that one right there. Another reason I like using this long one. I'm gonna sit that right in there. That. Get it started by hand. On there. And use the impact. That one, the inside one. Okay, now this off. This one on. 3/4 again. Want to run this. This one on there. Now, gotta put the fittings back in. 1/4 inch NPT. I'm gonna start this one by hand, and then you need this little guy. 1/4 inch ratchet, 3/8 head. Fucking mint. Alright, get this guy started. Don't forget your pipe tape. A nice big hole here. Alright, gotta have a Mac RBRTs. That's an Allen head, not a Torx bit. Fucking mint. Okay. Last thing, air fitting. You're gonna reuse it. Nothing wrong with it. So this is pipe thread, so it will get harder to turn as you go. You go a couple turns, that should be good. Like it says, 5/8. Push this back in there. Now, if that, as soon as I air it up, if that's broke, it'll leak right away. If not, it's good. So we'll test it when we air it up. Didn't look broken. Alright, there's how you do an airbag. Now you just gotta air it up, release the brakes, make sure it doesn't leak, and you're good to go. It's a quick airbag. Thanks for watching.